Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to draw any shapes in Blender 3.6 and make it become a 3D shape, a 3D model just in a few minutes. So start from now, I'm going to show you step by step. The first step, you can see this is just a new project in Blender 3.6. I'm going to press A and press delete button to delete everything. Next, we are going to start drawing. But before you start drawing, you have to just click add a mesh, add a cube. Alright, first we are going to draw the 2D shape. The first is to draw a 2D shape, it's just in plane. But this is just a cube. What we are going to do is just go to the edit modes, then press A to select every vertices and right click it, merge vertices at center. So actually now all of the vertices already just combined to become one vertex at the center. Next we are going to start drawing. To start drawing, we have to look at the XY plane. You can see if I use the mouse middle button to just rotate the whole world, I can just rotate until I can see the XY plane. Then move your mouse cursor to here, click the Z. Once you click the Z, it is going to just view in XY plane. Then for now, you have to make sure you selected the vertex mode. Then just select in this way. Then press E to extrude. Now actually you are extruding the shape. Let's say now if I want to move the shape, let's say I want to move this vertex, I can just click here to move it. And now as demo, I'm going to just draw a really simple shape, let's say a star. So I can extrude this as well. Right, now to make it as a star, I just extrude this like this. Alright, I keep on pressing E to extrude. So for this one, for this vertex, I'm going to move it to here. Then this one, move it to here. And for this, I press E to extrude. And then the final ones, I'm going to just connect these two vertices. So I click the first vertices and hold the shift, click another one. I right click it. Then just connect the vertex pair. Sorry, not this. Right click, new edge face from the vertices. So now you can see it already connected. Now this is a star shape. So just select everything, right click it, new edge face from the vertices. Now you can see this already become just a shape. You draw, after that it already become a shape. If you feel not satisfied, you still can move it. So click Z to view it in XY plane. So now I'm going to move this until you're satisfied. Then next you can just click this to select the face. Then you can press E to extrude. Now you can see it already become a star shape like this. So start from beginning. I already show you the step by step how to draw any of the shape and make it become a 3D model like this. So actually everything is just easy. Just in a few minutes you can make it. Just to draw whatever shape that you want and extrude it to become a 3D model. Alright, next now you can go back to the edit mode. This is really a 3D model. Then you can rename this mesh and name this as star, for example. Then of course the next step is just save it as a Blender project file. Click File, Save As on my desktop. I'm going to name this as star 3D shape. Click Save As. Next, I'm going to export as FBX. Click File, export the FBX. I'm going to choose copy this. I click export. Then it is going to export as an FBX 3D. Then these 3D models you can share with your friends. Alright, now you can see once you exported as FBX, there are some problems here. So to share with other people, we don't directly export as FBX. So I'm going to delete this FBX file. So I click File, Export as DAE first, and then on my desktop, I'm going to export as DAE, export the collector. Then, next, in the Blender, I click File, New, General. I don't save this. I press A to delete everything. For this time, I click File, import the DAE. From my desktop, import the DAE. Then export again as FBX. On my desktop, let's copy. Then star shape. This is the file name. I click export the FBX. Now just have a check for this FBX file. If I try to double click it, it is going to open with the 3D viewer. You can see this is a perfect star shape. That means after you already draw a shape and extrude it as a 3D shape in Blender, if you direct export it as FBX, then you are going to mess up the 3D model. But if you export as DAE first and import back into the Blender, then export again, then this FBX will be okay. Alright, now I already successfully show you everything, how to draw a shape and make it a 2D shape, and after that you extrude it as a 3D shape. Everything are just easy. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharing, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animation, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharing, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animation, and 3D game developing. See you!